Here we are breaking the law as usual. Hi, John. Cattaraugus Cutlery offices. See, I've never noticed these. So we have two stairways. This is very clean. Okay. I didn't know this was here.
Interesting. Huh.
And then over here, see, you already have gas lines. You got everything. You're totally right.
Yeah.
This is a huge area. Birds like it. Hi, birdies. This is fun to walk up. I mean, you have a very big basement.
Yeah.
And then, my favorite part, right?
So you would come down the stairs through the basement to go into the shop.
They would eat lunch here. My understanding is this was a lunch room.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Nice and cool in the summer.
Not bad, huh? They don't build them like this anymore.
No, and you know, they only, from the outside, when you look at it, seemingly the bad part is that one back corner.
Yep. Yep. Oops. I got a hand for you.
No, I take that.
Yep, yep.
Somebody would come in here
That's creepy.
with a little,
Front loader.
excavator, you know, front loader type thing,
Yep.
on tracks,
Yep.
and just clear up.
Stairs. Huh. Closet.
Odd with a window, a light.
Little meeting room.
Mm-hmm.
And you got the entrance. Still got chandeliers. Huh.
Got everything you need.
Right? Like?
So this was the main entrance.
Yep.
So this is reception area.
I mean, you can't even fit the thing in one frame. Huh.